Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong third quarter ng 2024. So that's July, August, September. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Energy ng mga Aries. Third quarter. July, August, September. Scorpion, very passionate kayo. Oo, so maaring meron kayong pagtutuunan ng pansin ngayong third quarter. Can be a project, trabaho nyo, career ninyo, or even relationship na gusto nyong alagaan, gusto nyong asikasuhin, i-nurture. You also have wave, connection with oneself. So this is about your self-identity. No? So maaring mas makikilala mo yung sarili mo ngayong third quarter. You will explore yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nasubukan before. You will become more spiritual, mas connected ka sa nature. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, no? Marami sa atin ang hindi pa alam kung ano talaga yung passion natin sa buhay, no? Kasi isipin mo, no, ano ba, bakit tayo pinanganak sa mundo? Nandito ba tayo para lang mag-aral, para magtrabaho, mag-asawa, magkaanak, tumanda at mamatay, 'di ba? Parang ganun. So I feel like you will be discovering more about yourself ngayong third quarter ng 2024. Gusto mong maging makabuluhan yung buhay mo, no? Na ginagawa yung mga bagay na mahal mo. You really love. You are deeply passionate about. You have the star. The star is about your dreams, your goals. You are divinely guided, Aries. Kung meron kang mga plano na gusto mong i-pursue pero may humahad lang sa'yo, minsan akala natin humahadlang lang sa atin yun, pero kung talagang determinado ka, gagawa ka ng paraan eh. Oo. So, you are divinely guided. There is a divine direction sa buhay mo ngayong third quarter. And then, you are going to be more independent. Yung tipong wala kang inaasahan na iba kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo on your own. Okay? You have the Seven of Pentacles, which is waiting for fruition. You have the Seven of Swords, so medyo mag-ingat, no, sa pagkakatiwalaan mo. Lalo na sa mga akala mong kaibigan, okay? You may realize that there is someone na nagtitake advantage ng iyong kabutihan. Let's say, porket itong tao na to is parang naging very close sa'yo, pinapakitaan mo ng kabutihan, ng kindness, akala niya kaya ka na niyang hinga ng pabor lagi, no? So, be careful. Kumbaga, mag-set ka rin ng boundaries. Especially sa pera. Kasi pwedeng merong person sa buhay mo na, alam mo yun, parang ipinapasa niya sa'yo yung responsibility niya. So, be careful with that. There's also energy ng Virgo, and this is your energy. Pwedeng I'm seeing a friendship na mare-restore, maayos. Lalo na kung pareho kayo magiging open to communication, open doon sa pag-uusap talaga. Kasi pwedeng pareho kayong mataas ang pride, no? So, syempre, kung pareho kayong mataas ang pride, mahirap magkaintindihan kasi pareho kayong gusto nyo may pinuprove kayo na point. Oo. So, yung iba sa inyo rin, you will also define yung mga steps na kailangan nyong gawin para maabot nyo yung pinapangarap ninyo. At itong steps na to, practical steps ha. Hindi lang to yung daydreaming na nangangarap ka ng gising. So this is about taking action, planning, doing you think that will be beneficial para sa pagtupad mo sa pangarap mo. So sa money, career, finances, you have the World card, the Knight of Staves, and the Star. Wow, so may star na naman dito. This is wish fulfillment in your career. So I think itong Knight of Staves energy is about the action that I'm telling you kanina, na mas determined ka, mas passionate ka to work for your goals and dreams. And meron ka talagang ma-achieve dito. I feel like meron kang matatapos, ma-accomplish na project, trabaho, business, na magiging very successful para sa'yo. Maari ring may mag-open na opportunity to work sa ibang bansa or to have a business sa ibang bansa or a international trading, na it means na pwede kang magkaroon ng exchange of energies sa ibang bansa, like magbebenta ka ng products sa ibang bansa or services sa ibang bansa. Okay? So, yeah, the person of fire is definitely you. You are very confident, no? Entrepreneur energy. Yes, you're going to be very creative. Marami kang ideas. Lalo na kung ikaw ay nasa, mahilig ka sa technology, sa gadgets, sa internet. Wow, ayan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Mayroon talagang achievement. You will be recognized in your career, in your business. Meron kang makakonquer. You're also going to master a skill. Can be any skill na talagang nandun yung passion mo. For example, gusto mo talaga maging magaling na baker. Yan. So, syempre, bago mo maabot yun, kailangan mag-aral ka muna, mag-practice. So, yung iyong dedication, determination, yun yung magli-lead sa'yo sa success mo. Okay? Let's see your money, your love life. The Hangman. Okay. The Ace of Vessels. And Temperance. Oh, para sa mga single dyan, maaring merong potential relationship, potential connection dito na hindi mo minamadali, no? So, kumbaga, you're trying to get to know this person muna. Bago mo ibigay ang sarili mo or bago ka mag-commit sa person na to. Oo eh. Maaring yung iba, nakakakita kayo ng red flags. Pero sa totoo lang, yung mga red flags na yan, normal yan eh. May mga tao talagang, lahat tayo may red flags. Depende na lang sa level ng red flags yan. Kasi meron namang maayos over time as we mature, no? But for some of you, maingat kayo ngayon sa pakikipagrelasyon. If you are in a relationship, I think may makikipag-ayos sa'yo, parang merong peace offering. So, pwedeng matagal kayong hindi nagpansinan or may tampuhan kayo. Or alam mo yung parang Cold War na you can be fighting with someone pero tahimik lang kayo. Yung parang hindi kayo napapansinan, ganun. Pero magjowa pa rin kayo, ganun. So, some of you, maaring meron ng finally maglalakas loob na ayusin. O ayan fix. Yeah. Kumbaga, this person is inaaral niya yung relationship. Yes, may hidden emotion. Siguro, hindi lang ganun ka-expressive. Pwedeng ikaw or the person that you're dealing with. Kaya parang hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. But I feel like ngayon, if you are in a relationship, meron kayong tampuhan, magre-reach out ng person na to sa'yo. Mag-open up siya ng totoo niyang nararamdaman. O, diba? Unity heart. Oh my God. You are being called to work on collective healing. Healing for any issues, problema na pinagdaanan mo with someone, can be sa romantic partner. And some of you naman, maaring meron kayong mission dito sa mundo, to be part of the people na nag-heal ng earth collectively. So maaring meron kayong spiritual purpose dito sa mundo that you want to help others. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.